Hey guys, welcome back to the Outdoor Pursuit. My name is Juan, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I organize all my fishing rods in my garage without taking too much space. Stick around. If you're anything like me and you're a gear junkie, you probably have your stuff laying around all over the house. You have it in the garage, you have it inside the house, you have it underneath tables and desks, and it's just a hot mess. Now, rods are a special problem for me in that I typically leaning up against the wall, I'll put them in a corner, they get all tangled up, probably breaking tips. It's just not a good situation for me. But I found a solution using these rod holders that I found on Amazon and some self-tapping screws. Now, instead of me telling you what I'm doing, let me show you over here. As for the rod holders, you can get them on Amazon. They are relatively inexpensive. They're about $7 to $10 for the pair. Just make sure you get the pair and you get the vertical ones. As for colors, I think you can get blue, gray, red. Just go ahead and take your pick, whatever suits you, and go for it. Okay, so we're going to mount our rod holder to the garage door utilizing the existing door hinges. Now we're going to remove this self-tapping screw and we're going to use that mounting point to install our bracket there. Next, we're going to attach one end of the rod holder utilizing the self-tapping screw that you took out from the door hinge. So on the other end, you'll notice that the rod holder doesn't reach the self-tapping screw of the door hinge. But that's not a problem. What we're going to do is we're going to secure the rod holder with another self-tapping screw screwed in to the framing or the bracing of the garage door. Now to attach the other rod holder, just repeat the same process. Once you're finished mounting the rod holders, you are ready to mount your fishing rods. Hey, there you have it guys, a quick and simple solution to store your fishing rods in your garage. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, go outdoors, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Take care.